everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I just really wanted to get super colorful for some reason. Well, there's a reason why. So Star Crushed Minerals, if you've never heard of them, you need to go check them out because they are a fantastic makeup brand that does the the most fun, the coolest and most unique colors of eyeshadows and glitters that I've ever seen. So they sent me a ton of new shadows to play with and new glitters to play with, so of course I just really wanted to sit down and try some of the new shades out. They have sent me stuff in the past before, but I got a ton of new shades in this package that they sent me, so there was a lot of fun ones. These are their single shadows right here, and they are loose shadows. They also sent me some highlighters, which are a little bit larger than the shadows are, and they sent me some glitters as well, which are in actual star-shaped packaging. It's so cute. They sent me a ton of fun glitter shades. So I do this whole look, well, the eyeshadow and the glitter using a ton of Star Crushed Minerals eyeshadows. I just wanted to create something fun and colorful. It's almost spring, so I, am feeling the colorful vibes. Spring is my favorite season, right next to fall, of course. Nothing beats fall. Nothing. There's nothing in the world. But spring is really nice. I just love the calm atmosphere of spring, the birds chirping, butterflies, dragonflies all over the place. Here in Colorado, we have dragonflies like everywhere. Like during the summer, spring and summer, I just see dragonflies galore, so. And I did this really fun lip color, which is totally out of my comfort zone or my, my usual colors. I'm trying to really step out there and try new stuff for you guys, so I hope you enjoy. So if you guys would like to see how I created this makeup look, then please keep watching. So as usual, we're starting with our bare face, and I'm starting with my eyes first using my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer in Eden. Like always, people have asked me why I do my eyes first, and that is because when I'm doing something pigmented and colorful like this, I like to do it before I do my complexion. That way there's no fallout and it doesn't ruin my foundation and my concealer and all that, because I do wear full coverage and any little speckle will mess up the whole thing. So I don't even risk it or chance it. I just do my eyes beforehand. So zooming in, I'm first going in with the color Sky Skimmer. It's this really pretty, like, periwinkle color almost. It's kind of blue, it's kind of purple. It's so gorgeous. I'm using this as my transition shade today. Then I'm going in with the shade Orchid. It's a very light lavender color, and I'm just putting that right into the crease to kind of add some purpliness to this bluish shadow. And then I'm going back in with Sky Skimmer just to clean up the edges. I'm now taking the shade Audacious Plum. I'm sorry it wouldn't focus this close to the camera. I need to get my priorities straight. And I'm taking Audacious Plum and I'm putting that right into the crease as well. This is going to really deepen up that crease and give it that dramatic look that you want. And I just keep adding more and more, and I'm doing the inner and outer corner as well, because I'm kind of, sort of doing a halo eye, kind of, a little bit. And then I'm taking this glitter from Star Crushed Minerals. It's called Berry Naughty, and I'm taking my glitter glue from Too Faced, and I'm applying the glitter glue first. I'm going over my crease a little bit, and then I am taking the Berry Naughty glitter. It's a berry color. It's exactly what it sounds like. It's like a pinkish reddish color. I'm just packing that on top. Again, I am going over my crease, and I'm not making a perfect line with this. I'm not like doing a cut crease with it or anything. I kind of want it to, blend up or have some speckles going up into that purple. And I just keep packing on that all over my lid. And now I'm taking my LA Splash Cosmetics Diamond Glitter. This is in Crystal Ball, and this is just to add some more like sparkle to the whole look. So I applied this, and while that is drying and it's still kind of wet, I'm just packing some more of that Berry Naughty glitter on top. I just wanted some more dimension with the glitter. So cute! And then I go back in with a little bit more of my Audacious Plum just to deepen that crease area around the glitter. So I went ahead and did my brows and did my foundation, and now I'm taking my highlighter from Star Crush Minerals. This is in the shade Put It In Neutral, and I'm using it as my inner corner highlight, and I'm also using it for my brow bone, and I did mist it with my Mist and Fix from Makeup Forever just to make it super, super intense and super shiny. I'm now going in with the shade Some Like It Hot Pink. How cute is that name? Reminds me of Marilyn Monroe. And I'm just using that on my lower lash line, and then I'm taking Audacious Plum again and going right up against that lash line just to add some dimension to the bottom there. And then I'm just taking a white pencil, this one's from Ben Nye, and I'm putting that in my waterline to open my eyes up a little bit. For liner, I'm using my Jet Waterproof Cream Color from Anastasia. And I'm just going to do a big old, long, dramatic wing. So I put some mascara on my eyeballs, and I use my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and then I'm popping some lashes on. I do believe these are Luminara from Rouge and Rogue as their Black Magic lashes. They're so pretty. And now I'm taking my Tawny bronzer from Anastasia and just applying a little bit to my cheekbones after my contour. I went ahead and contoured everything, bronzing up just a little bit. And then I'm taking my Tarte blush in Paaarty and popping that right on my cheeks. Moving on to my lips, I'm taking my lip liner, my Architect Lip Sculptor from LA Splash Cosmetics. This is in the shade Rustification. And I'm just lining my lips per usual. And for my actual lip color today, I am using a Sigma liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Peach-tini. I wanted to do a darker lip liner because this liquid lipstick is so intense and so bright, but I was really conflicted on what color I wanted to do, and I saw this, and I was like, you know what, let's just go for it. We're doing bright colors anyways. Then I'm taking my Put It In Neutral highlight, putting it on my cheeks and my nose, and setting my whole face with my Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. That's the end of this tutorial, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're loving these colorful looks because I have quite a few more colors coming, so get ready for it. I'll see y'all later. Bye.